హాయ్ అండి, నా పేరు నాని. ఈరోజు నా దగ్గరికి ఒక కొత్త వెంచర్ వచ్చింది. అన్ని సదుపాయాలతోటి వచ్చింది. సర్వజ్ఞ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్, ధాత్రి కౌంట్రీ ప్రీమియం విల్లా ప్లాట్స్, రైలాపూర్, కొంపల్లి. ఈ యొక్క వెంచర్లో ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ చేస్తే మంచి గ్రోత్ ఉంటుంది. నేను యూట్యూబ్లో పెడుతున్నా, చూడండి.
Moving ahead, you'll pass through one of North Hyderabad's most established residential corridors, surrounded by reputed educational institutions like Pallavi International School, St. Anne's School, healthcare facilities including KIMS, Ankura, Shrikara, and Narayana Hrudayalaya are also within easy reach. And then, we pass through Kundlapochampalli, a rapidly developing residential hub. Before reaching Ayodhya X roads, a key junction connecting Kompally, Medchal, and the emerging growth corridors of North Hyderabad. One of the biggest growth drivers in this region is the upcoming 400-acre Kanlapoya IT Park, along with several educational and employment hubs that are shaping the future of this corridor. Adding further value is the proposed ORR exit 5 ampere, expected to enhance connectivity and reduce travel time across Hyderabad. Entry. As we approach Relapur, welcome to Thatri County 2, an HMDA and RERA approved gated villa plotted community spread across 18 acres with 273 premium villa plots. Experience wide internal roads, landscape avenues, underground infrastructure, abundant green spaces, you'll notice premium villa communities such as Aparna Dharani, Casa Grand Belair, Peram Signature Park, Kompally County Villas, and Hastina Agaria, creating a vibrant and high-end residential ecosystem. Thatri County 2 is strategically positioned at the center of North Hyderabad's growth story, and lifestyle amenities including a clubhouse, swimming pool, gym, jogging tracks, and children's play areas. Just minutes from ORR, Godvalli MMTS, Medchal town, and major upcoming developments. Backed by the successful delivery of Thatri County Phase 1, this project reflects the trust, quality, and commitment of Sarvagna projects. Thatri County 2, where connectivity, lifestyle, and future appreciation come together.